Welcome to Work Trends. I'm Joey, and we got a little build today. So this is set 7997. It's a train station, a yellow train station. Not necessarily the most popular yellow train station, but it is a Lego train station in yellow. I got 3 bags, a pile of track. This has all been used. It was all used. I got this set of instructions, which I think we saw a haul. It's probably been a little bit for the haul, but we're going to set this up. I'm going to do a time-lapse build on it, and then we're going to take a look at it. It's not going to make it into the city. It's not going to fit into the theme of the city and into the train layout, because the city is basically modular, and this is not. But this is kind of one of those hits the nostalgia feels, so that's why I got it. All right, let's do the time lapse. All right, that wasn't a terrible build. One of the big problems was it wasn't completely disassembled, and I didn't take the time to completely disassemble it, so I had to go back and forth. There was a couple things I missed here and there. Yeah, well, so here it is. It's not bad. It's about like I remembered it. We have the little hand car. I think that's pretty cool. We've seen a couple of these hand cars over the years. Yeah, I don't know where my focus point is on that. What do we got here? So it was $45 when it sold new. If you want one right now, it's $181 new. $98 if you want a used one. 387 pieces, 5 figs. Do I have all 5 figs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, got all the figs. One of the interesting things about this set, it came in these super sets. 66239, which was called City Trains Super Set. It had switches, curb track, and the cargo train 7898, which is that green one that kind of looks like a little crocodile. It's like a switcher. I think it was the era when they had the remote. It was 9-volt battery box, but it had a remote. So, oops, knocked the guy over. It also was in 66325, which is basically the same superset. It just, I honestly, I don't know why there were 2 numbers. I don't know if one was European and one was English, was for the United States, or if they just, there are pictures with 2 different numbers. So, there are not a lot of sales of those items though either. In fact, I don't think there's been any sales recently of either one of those. So I'd say they are pretty rare to get the super packs. But it's not that hard to get the station. The station's pretty easy. I say easy from the standpoint if you want to pay for it on the secondary market. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Let's look at the back side here. I think we talked about in the haul video when I got it, the instructions they're not the best, but they definitely work. And yeah, here's the back. It's what we got in here. We got seating and then some kind of concession stand. There's some drinks, and then they got like little coolers with sodas and bread in there. We have a light on this side, kind of cool. This is the tickets are over here for your trains. There's a little ticket station there, a little kiosk. I guess not that, you know, I guess that's where he went through. A couple seats, a couple red seats there. We have a cool little package and a hand truck. Passenger, I think we have 2 passengers. Is this a passenger or is he just a worker? He's just kind of got a brown shirt. It's kind of a weird color. It's not... yeah, I need to look at that color to see what it ends up being. So we got, I think it may just be faded. And then, yeah, we got the business guy. And then there's another, we have this, I'm going to call him the station master. And then we got the guy on, he's in coveralls. So we got him in little coveralls, and he's operating the hand truck. So, I guess there's really not a lot to say about this. These yellow train stations kind of have a lot of nostalgia because they were the buildings that were available back at the time. It's the dollhouse, right? The open back, so you know it fits a certain type of city. Like I said, it's not going to go into our current city, just because you know we use the modular cities. Like I guess, well, I don't want to say a little more realistic, but it has a presence. They fit together where this just does not fit in there. I have a city station over there now, and it's back Actually, both sides of the tram are open back, and I don't like them. I'm working on trying to build a back for the one station, a small side. It never really works out. I don't know. I'm gonna keep messing with it. But yeah, this one's gonna go in with the vintage train collection. It might get put on a shelf for a while. We got some stuff out. Might do that. But for now, it's well, I don't know. I don't know what for now is going to be. It's got to come off this table, though. I know that. So, all right, quick little build and review. 7997 train station. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. It helps my analytics. Leave a comment. And if you really want to, join our memberships. We call it the passenger list. Every other Friday, we do the A-Fool podcast. A couple great guys like Earl and Javo, Mardi Gras Man, and Brixar. We do a podcast about old Lego. It's a good time. Give it a watch.